Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie and welcome to another of my videos. So I'm currently in Lawrence, Massachusetts, and I want to film a little like get ready with me / life update. So I hope that you really like this video, and if you want to know more about my life around here, I can do a tour or something like that. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. I will be more than happy to do it. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so in the button down below. I guess with no further ado, let's get into the video. I'm currently in Lawrence, Massachusetts. Here's where I'm living. I'm staying here, and I usually go from, Tuesday through Friday to Boston. So I travel every day to Boston to work on my internship. If you've watched my last videos, I said that I got an internship over here, so I'm living here on my own. Well, I have a roommate, and we both live here, and then there are other people who are like in this complex, in this apartment complex. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna start showing you how I do my makeup and everything. So I'm not really gonna tell you everything I do for my makeup, because I already did a video like that, my everyday makeup routine. But I just wanted to talk to you about how my life is going over here and everything I do. So like I said, I'm living here in Lawrence, and I'm gonna be staying here for a couple of months. I arrived here on June 8th, and I'm gonna stay here until August 16th. And I'm here with a program called Station 1, and they paid for everything for my travel expenses. Are also paying for this apartment, and they paired me with like this company that it's focused on AI, which is artificial intelligence, and they're also doing indoor agriculture. So I'm working with them for this summer, which is really cool, and it relates with my major, which I'm studying computer engineering. So yeah, I'm gonna be staying here for 3 months, or like 2 months and a half. I feel like I look too white. The work and that company is in MIT. So let me show you my hoodie. It says MIT, and it's very cold here compared to Orlando. Like in Orlando, we're somewhere between like 80s, 90s Fahrenheit, and here it's like 65 or something like that. So it's like a really dramatic change for me. Like I was saying, I'm gonna be staying here for 2 months and a half or so, and I have to take the train, and the train, they call it the commuter rail. So I take the commuter rail every day at 7:40, and I get there at 8:38, I think. And then from there I take the subways, and I usually have to take like 2 subways to get to where I work, to the MIT buildings. Actually pretty fun to take the train, although I have to say that it's kind of tiring sometimes, because I have to wake up like really early to be able to catch the train, and have to pay attention to which lines I have to take and how to change on that. But it's a really nice life experience, and I've never lived on my own. This is the first time that I'm living on my own. Well, like I said, I have a roommate, but still it's like living on my own, because I'm not living with my parents. But that's actually really cool. I think it will help me grow as a person. Today we're going to a boat event, and it's a free admission, and I think the food's gonna be free, but I'm not sure. But yeah, we're gonna be able to get into kayaks. We're gonna be able to do canoeing and things like that. So I'll probably take a couple of videos while I'm there. I'm just gonna do something really light, really natural, because like I said, we're just going to like that boat event, and it is like 7 minutes from here, but we don't have a car, so we're probably gonna Uber or walk. If we walk, it's gonna take us like 40 minutes or 30, and then if we Uber, it's like 7 minutes from here, so it's pretty nice. Buildings are pretty new in this city. well, I don't know if it's a city. I think it's more like a town. And I had to fly from Orlando over here. It was a 3 hours flight. It wasn't really bad at all, but I was kind of nervous at the beginning because I didn't know what train to take. I didn't know how to move in here. But I had like really, really nice friends who were supporting me throughout the whole flight, the whole trip. They were texting me. They were asking me how I was, if I needed help, if I needed like to vent with anyone. So that was pretty nice. So thank you guys. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. And there's still like some friends who still text me just to see how I am and catch up with everything. But usually during the week I have no time, so that's why I'm filming this video on a Saturday. Yeah, I'm filming this on a Saturday, and I'll edit it today so that I can upload it on Monday. Also guys, if you want to see like a room tour or apartment tour, let me know in the comments down below and I will be more than happy to do it. I can show you like this like my apartment, like this floor, and then I can also show you the whole complex. It's pretty cool. We have like a community room, which is like a games room, and then we have like a cinema, and then there's a small gym. So yeah, there are awesome things around here, so I could show you that. If you want to see it, let me know in the comments down below and I can give you a small tour of that. I think I'm gonna change to another shirt and some burgundy pants because it's kind of cold, and I think I saw the weather on the weather app that it's gonna be probably raining. It was raining this morning. So this is basically my whole makeup routine, what I usually do or wear or whatever you want to call it. I usually use either my Jaclyn Hill palette or I use my Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and those two palettes I brought them with me. Those are like my go-to makeup palettes right now. And then I usually do a little bit of bronzer with my Urban Decay Shape Shifter, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I hope that you guys really like this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna insert some clips of that boat ride and how everything looked over there. So yeah, if you want to see more videos of me around Boston or Lawrence, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you wanted to see a tour of this apartment, that would be really cool. And yeah, I hope that you really like it, and see you on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.